If you want to add a view in browser link in Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is a simple but important change because it gives your email subscribers an easy way to open your message in a web browser if they have trouble viewing it in their inbox. It also makes your emails look more professional and polished. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the email campaign or email editor where you want to add the view in browser link. This is the message you'll be editing, so make sure you choose the correct email before making any changes. After that, look for the paragraph block in the editor. This is the block we're going to use for the link text. Click on the paragraph block, then drag and drop it into your email layout wherever you want the view in browser text to appear. Usually, this is placed near the top of the email so readers can find it easily. Once the block is in place, click inside it and type view in browser. Make sure the wording is clear and easy to recognize. After typing the text, select the entire phrase so it becomes highlighted. This step is important because the link needs to be applied to the full text, not just part of it. With the text selected, click the Add Link option in the editing toolbar. When the link box appears, type yarchive exactly as shown. This is the Mailchimp merge tag that creates the browser version link for your email. Be sure to enter it carefully because the formatting needs to be correct for it to work properly. After entering the link, click Save to apply the changes to the block. Then, take a moment to preview the email so you can confirm that the view in browser link appears the way you want it to. Previewing is always a good idea because it lets you catch any formatting issues before the email goes out. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit to finish. And that's it. You've now added a view in browser link in Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. This is a small update, but it can make a big difference in the user experience of your email campaign. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.